So we are having a question today, and the question is from basic geometry. The question states that a straight line through the vertex P of a triangle PQR intersects the side QR at the point S, and the circumcenter of the triangle circumcircle of the triangle PQR at point T. Okay, so this line PS actually meets the circumcircle at point T. So if S is not the center of the circumcircle, then which of the following statements are true? Now we know from the basic property of chords that two chords are intersecting. The two chords are PT and QR. So we can write that PS into ST is equal to QS into SR. Okay, we have read this in class 9th or 10th geometry. PS into ST is equal to QS into SR. And if we see the left hand side of the terms written here, it is 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST. Now what I know from arithmetic mean and geometric mean is this, that 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST divided by 2 is greater than equal to root under 1 upon PS into root under 1 upon ST. Okay, now what I can write from here is 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to twice of root under 1 by PS into 1 upon ST. Okay, now here from here we can replace PS into ST by QS into SR. Okay, so if I replace it, it becomes greater than equal to twice of root under 1 upon QS into SR. Okay, 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to 2 into 1 by QS into SR. So this thing we can see that this is the second point. So this is correct. Okay, we got this thing that 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to 1 upon QS into SR. Okay, now from here what I can write is in the next page that twice of just a minute, what I can write from here is root under QS into SR. Okay, it is what the geometric mean. So QS plus SR by 2, QS plus SR by 2 is greater than or equal to root under QS into SR. Okay, and from here what I can write is what is QS plus SR? QS plus SR is nothing but QR upon 2. Okay, if I go into the previous diagram, then from here you can see that QS plus SR is nothing but it is QR. Okay, so I'm writing from here that QS plus SR is nothing but QR by 2 is greater than equal to root under QS into SR. Okay, so replacing that term here, which term? This term. So I can write from here in place of QS into SR what it was actually 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to 2 root under QS into SR. So I can write 2 root under QS into SR, and in place of QS into SR I can write this thing. So I can write that 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to twice of 1 upon QR by 2. Okay, because QR by 2 is greater than this particular term. So in the denominator, if I replace it with a larger quantity, if I replace this term with a quantity that is greater than this, so obviously this whole term will be less, this whole term will decrease, because as we increase the denominator, the whole term will decrease. So obviously if this term is smaller than this particular term, then a term that is smaller than this will also be smaller. Therefore I can write this thing. So from here I can write it that 1 upon PS plus 1 upon ST is greater than equal to 1 upon QR. 1 upon QR, not 4 upon QR. Okay, this 2 will go in. So this is, let me check that whether it is any given option. Yes, this is the option number D. This is the option number D. So yeah, see here equality holds only when these two terms are equal, PS and ST. So I'm not talking about the equality here, I'm just talking about the inequality part. Here also the inequality part. So from here I can say that the option B and D are correct. So I hope that you would have liked this question. It was a question from basic geometry, and please do feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.